Why function length matters.
Short functions make code easier to read, test, and maintain. Long functions often mix multiple tasks, making bugs harder to find and fix. Breaking code into smaller, focused functions helps teams understand what each part does, reduces duplication, and supports faster updates when requirements change. Ultimately, short functions can greatly improve the reliability and quality of your software.
Readability and maintenance benefits.
Short functions are easier to understand at a glance. When a function is concise, its purpose becomes clear, and new team members can quickly grasp your code logic. Maintenance also becomes simpler. Fixing or enhancing specific features is straightforward, with minimal risk of creating unintended bugs elsewhere. By keeping functions short, you create code that's easier for everyone to work with.
How to identify long functions.
Spotting when a function is too long is key to better code. Warning signs include functions that scroll off the screen, contain many nested blocks, or handle several distinct tasks. If you find yourself repeatedly commenting on different parts of a function, or struggling to summarize what it does in a single sentence, it's likely too long and needs refactoring.
Steps to write short functions.
Start by giving each function one clear responsibility. If a function does more than one thing, try splitting it into smaller pieces. Use descriptive names to show what each function does. Don't be afraid to create new helper functions for repeated code. Continuously review your code to check if functions can be simplified or further broken down.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Avoid making functions too short or splitting code arbitrarily. Every function should have a meaningful, self-contained purpose. Don't create chains of tiny functions that obscure logic. Strike a balance. Functions should do one thing, be easy to test, and contribute to overall readability without introducing confusion or unnecessary complexity.
Building better code bases with short functions.
Embracing short, focused functions leads to cleaner and more adaptable code. It fosters a culture of clarity, making your software easier to scale and improve. By consistently practicing these habits, you'll simplify future development and make your codebase welcoming for both current and future developers.